It's Jewl with the Daily Drop Society, and I want to show you guys today the new and improved doTERRA Petal Diffuser. Now, I've loved the Petal Diffuser in my house. In fact, this is what I keep in most of all my kids' bedrooms. However, doTERRA just released a brand new and improved version of this diffuser, and I just got it in the mail, and I thought, why not show you guys the moment it's opened, and let's go over all the features and all the new things so you know if this is a diffuser that you want too. Now, price-wise, this is one of doTERRA's more affordable diffusers at $47. The reason why I feel like this is such a great deal for a diffuser, these things have lasted me years with no trouble at all. Sometimes you'll find that when you buy a very inexpensive diffuser that it's very easy that it malfunctions and there's no warranty to them. So that's why I love this diffuser in my home for my family. So let's go ahead and open this one up and we're gonna compare the differences of the two. Now, right as you open this box, there is going to be a user manual. If you are not familiar with diffusers and how they work, this is going to give you a step-by-step how to use it, how to clean it, or you can watch my videos on that. Now, right off the bat, what I'm loving about this diffuser is the neutral color to it. In fact, when I saw this diffuser that came out, I was so excited because this is going to match the pillows in my bedroom so great. Absolutely perfect. With this tan kind of in my pillow and the diffuser. Super excited for that. Also, you'll notice that instead of being smooth all over, it has these ripples to it, and it actually, footprint-wise, is a little bit smaller than the regular Petal Diffuser. Just looking down at them, they're almost identical, but the new one is just a little bit smaller than the old one. This is the coolest part, you guys. Setting wise, this diffuser can be set for 2 hours, 6 hours, or 12 hours. Now, what the 12 hours does is that it turns on and off every 5 minutes to give you a random burst of that aromatherapy. Something that I love about this diffuser that's the same as the old one is that you can turn the light on or off. I also like that it is just a bright white light. I don't like the colorful diffusers in my home that have different colors. There's one of those in my kids' room. Otherwise, in the rest of my house, I just want it to be classy and just look seamless with my decor, so I love that it's just a white, bright light. So if you can see on the inside of this, on the new diffuser, however, there is no longer a metal ring inside of this diffuser. It is just plastic inside. What I've always loved about this diffuser is that you can actually, because it has a bigger base and an opening, when you're cleaning them, you can take a paper towel and actually get in with your hands and a brush and scrub it clean, opposed to other diffusers I have, which are just little teeny skinny, and you can never really get in and clean it as well as you need to. I love that this one, you can get right in to clean it well. Now, the cord is right here. This just comes detached because sometimes when I have it plugged into a wall behind a piece of furniture, I like to completely unplug it to go fill it up with water and then plug it back in when I'm ready. Now, the plug is just right here in the back. Overall, I'm giving this diffuser a big thumbs up. I am super excited for it. I'm going to go put it in my bedroom right now, right on my nightstand. This is the one I want displayed in there. I'm probably gonna pick up a few extras for my living room too. Now, this diffuser is gonna cover 330 square feet, so it's gonna be really great for like a bedroom. If you're gonna put it into a room that has a larger space, just know that you may need more than one, especially if you have high ceilings in that room. You may want to get a bigger capacity diffuser. For bedrooms, this is gonna be amazing. Let me know down in the comments, how are you guys liking this new diffuser that doTERRA just came out with? I'd love to know your feelings on it.